Howdy, everybody. Greetings. Good day to you all. Today is the 22nd, I believe, of March, 2023. I'm going to just show you now the 62 Chevrolet cab. All of the bad metal is off it. The rotted, rusty, destroyed metal. All of it except for a little bit on the roof. I don't want to get crazy and take all that off yet because it's going to be blasted again, and then I can go and do the roof. But I want to get the base of the floor done first and get that blasted, or secondary blast, a second blast, get it in epoxy, and then start putting the new pieces on. And then once that's solid, work on the roof. That's the plan. So here's a small 30-second video right now of me earlier today taking off the passenger side floor, lower A pillars, lower B pillars of this 62 Chevy truck. Here it is right now. Then I'm going to do a walk around showing you where the truck is at this point. Okay, here we go. Okay, now that you enjoyed that little time-lapse video, here's a real-time video of the truck in its current, or the cab in its current, I was going to say configuration, but I don't know if that's the correct word. Condition is actually the real the correct word to use. Put braces in there in the window simply because I've really weakened the roof structure, so put that in to keep it nice and tight. Those pieces that I removed right here, I put OSPO underneath it, thus the discoloration. And when the media blasting is introduced onto those areas, it'll clean up very nicely. So these little handle devices I made are, they're there for a purpose to help spin the cab, help secure the cab, but also keep the integrity of the vehicle intact. Because that frame rail is just kind of hanging. This frame rail is also just hanging. And I'll spin the cab over. Here's the roof. Looks pretty gross. It is gross. Needs a lot of work. But as I said, I'm going to do the floor first and then do the roof. This is the condition you got to bring these things down to really fix them. You got to just open it all up. Now all that metal on the bottom, most of that I'm going to keep. Some of it I'm going to reuse. Some of it I'm going to need for templating pieces that may not fit properly. Some of them are going to go back on completely, like that piece and the transmission tunnel piece. That one I had to break off, drill the spot welds. This one was fused in place with 3 bolts that were rusted in place. Some new metal has arrived, other metal has not arrived. Some stuff I haven't even ordered yet, so it's all a process. And I gotta put some OSPO right on that because I missed a little spot. This stuff is really not very nice. It's rather irritating if you get it on you. So as long as you're upwind, like the fan is blowing behind me, you spray that stuff, it's going to go out the door. So you don't have to breathe it in or get it in your eyes. If you get it in your eyes, it's just a slight irritant. It doesn't. It's not gonna kill you, but it is a slight irritant. It's not something you want to have stuck in your eyes. So that's it, friends. Wrapped up the operations. I'm where I need to be right now on this vehicle, and I'm where I need to be. And we'll get the metal to come in. This thing's going to get blasted again and then prime it some more and then start putting the new metal on. Okay? Cheers. Bye-bye.